The African grey is slightly sexually dimorphic, the males being larger. P. erithacus ranges from 30 to 40 centimetres, 12 to 16 inches, long and weighs 400 to 650 grams, 0.8 to 1.4 pounds. Psittacus erithacus timneh is smaller, some 23 to 28 centimetres, 9 to 11 inches, long and 250 to 375 grams, 0.6 to 0.8 pound. Habits: African grey parrot, African grey parrot, African grey parrot, Psittacus erithacus, in flight. African greys prefer lowland rainforest through most of their range, venturing into surrounding savanna, mangroves, and agricultural land for food. They prefer to forage in groups of usually fewer than 50 birds. The species is largely frugivorous, eating seeds, nuts, and fruit from multiple genera, including bombax,